Hi Moms on the Go, what's up? So what we're going to do is introduce a new video to you. So the video that's coming up, it's really quick, but it's about how to find your YouTube link. So I know sometimes we want to add our YouTube link to our website or emails or Instagram or whatever, and it's kind of hard to find. So the way that you add, my camera's slipping here, the way that you add the link is going to be in the next clip. Sorry, my camera keeps slipping. Okay, it's going to be in the next clip, so I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions or want me to help you guys with anything else, let me know below. Make sure that you subscribe to our video. Once you have your browser open to your YouTube page, look in the top right corner where your picture is. Click that, then click your channel. Then look in the top left-hand corner of your page. Highlight everything to the left of the question mark. And then you're going to right-click, copy. Then you're going to open a new browser. Right-click, paste. And that name that you see at the top of your page, that's the link where people are going to find your YouTube page. So you can insert that in your emails, websites, or wherever you want. That's what you're going to need to send them to your page, and that's how you find it. I hope you enjoy.